That's probably gonna overflow. There it goes, you see it swaying. There goes the overflow. There it goes. Yep. All right, back to the ranch. Do this a couple more times and then I might be full. Fun. Lunch break. Had to go get the Jenny back. Yeah, got old Jenny. Now we can pump water. I don't gotta haul water no more. Thank you, Gibson Small Engine Repair. But now I'm in Golden Valley, back to work. It's hot out here too. Golden Valley. Heads back that way. All right, the water project. All right, sorry for the generator sound. I got one going on over there. I got the well pumping all the way over there. Oh yeah, those bins right there. You see like that bin right there, and there's a blue bucket on the side of that wall. I have bats that live in there. So the bats are dropping their poop, AKA bat guano.
Delicious. And the pottery is lovely.
It's made from guano.
Guano! That sounds so familiar. Bat droppings.
So I am trying to collect it. So that's what's going on with that. But anyway, sidetrack, back to this. So right now what's gonna happen is, I gotta get these bins. Get one here. This is my bottom bin. Because it ain't got no hole on it. This is my top bin, got a little hole on there, just so I can fit my pump just in case I gotta haul water ever again. But right now how I'm planning is, because that's filling up right there. That's gonna stack just like how it was before, double stack. I was gonna put it up there, but then I was like, nah, because I got this new thing going on that I'm about to show you in a second. I got my split channel on here to run water this way, and then, you know what? I don't know why I got that one there. It won't have no pressure. Oh, to feed in. That's right. All right, bet. Yeah, anyway, I remember now. Then you come around storage. That water hose runs underneath the storage container. Up under to this here box right here. The unveiling of the pump box. This pump box holds this pump, water pressure, hose for a hose. I got a nice little filtration system. Filter number 2. Yeah, that's the first filter. 2. Carbon filter number 3. Pressure gauge. All of that runs out of that hose right there. Goes up into the RV, into the city water connection. There's an electric panel right here. Perfect. So this is obviously gonna plug into that. Bam. Now this pump turns on and off as needed. So it'll fill up the RV and hopefully it'll turn off. If not, I'm gonna have to come out here and plug it in, plug it out every time. But I don't think so, because it pressurizes and then sends water in. So once this is full, it should stay full, I hope. I don't know. Let's find out, guys. All right. I had to call the young men out here for a little help. Got that up there. We got that one up there. Let's cover this up. Start filling it up with water. Let's go. All right now, got water filling up. See that line? Right there, filling up pretty quick. I got this one open, so we should be getting water down into here. So, all right, so I got that Up there, this is covered. I got the hose flowing in there. I put a screen on here so bugs and rodents can't jump in the top part. Right now I got the water pumping into this from over there. I just duct tape this screen up just to double check, make sure everything is Gucci. Alright. Now let's get this water filled up so we can test this pump out. Gorgeousness. It's now dark, so let's see what it's doing. That ain't working. That leak right there. That ain't good. Fix that. That leak right there. That ain't good. Got zero water pressure. That ain't good. Looks like a bunch of not good. Oh, there's the pressure building up. I want to see what happens when it gets to the top though first. Yeah, but it's like 8:30. Let's look at this recording. Yeah, let's look at this in the morning. You got pressure. Got water coming out. Is it clean? Oh no. So I drilled a hole in the bottom of this thing, just in case this happened. It can drain the water out.
How dark it is already out here. Tony up there. Why is Tony up here in the dark? In the dark, in the dark, in the dark. Hi, Daddy. Let's make sure there's no tarantulas. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Oh my goodness, animals running around.
That ain't this.
Hi, Simba. Hi, Simba. Got some new rosemary today, a couple flowers. In the city. Raisin. What are you doing? So you putting the pump? Quit it, Raisin.
This pump still has to go in there to pump water out.
Okay. So are the birds.
I'm not finished. I got
Doing night ranch chores. Boop, 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 boop. The chickens are in their coop sleeping. Okay, this won't zoom in on the door. But they're in there.
one more time like that, boy.
Freddie, be a good boy, Freddie. Raisin is following us. Turning off the well pump. Hear the generator now. Ready?
That's like widow. Not gonna get you. It doesn't jump. Start passing.
Will you move? Go, move so I can go. Is that the guano?
Yep.
that guano from the... They not out today?
They out here somewhere. They just not messing with us right now because you over here.
I see a nail, 2 nails, 3 nails. More guano. Cat. Another cat.
What are y'all doing? Get y'all butts over here. Stop wandering around. What's up with you? Tell them pretty.
Right, that's why I'm sticking with you guys, huh? Raisin, quit it.
We all just look at you, Freddie, huh? Come
Come
on.
on, Simba.
Where's Garf?
Garfield. Oh. Well, why are you guys going up there? Oh, crazies. You guys doing parkours?
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour!
Alright, so I'm back with my update on how I got this thing working. Pump's still in there. Water filter's on. All the water filters are on. Obviously I drew these holes, added some PVC. As I talked about, goes up in here, but I had to do a little bit something different. So I got this water hose hooked up with a splitter. I had to take that pressure gauge off. First I had it backwards. Then when I saw the arrow, because it was light outside, I switched it around. But it still wasn't doing what I needed it to do because it was stopping. So now this filters straight into the RV. That filter, and the carbon filter, once again, straight into the city water connection. I got the electric hooked up. Again, this pump turns on and off as needed. So every time somebody turns on the water inside the RV, it pumps into there. Right now, what we're gonna do is fill up our swamp coolers using this hose. I'm gonna turn off this one and turn this one on. Use this hose connected to this hose that young TJ got, and that's gonna spray to our water hose up front. But that's for something else. But anyway, just showing you that this worked. And after I tightened everything, put a little tape on there, there's no more leaks. I drilled a couple more holes in the bottom, just in case it does flood, so the water can drain out, and that way I don't have anything damaged. So let's show that it's working. Right now TJ's filling up this swamp cooler. This also is good because now it's getting filtered with all these things, my well water. That the pH on the well water is now like 7 versus what it was when it was not filtered through these things. It was at a pH of 9 and a parts per million of about 560 to 680. Now, if you don't know what parts per million is, that's the particles inside your water. And over 500 is not recommended to use. No matter what state you're in or whatever, 500 parts per million is bad. That could cause kidney stones and other different problems with your body because you're going to build up minerals. It's heavy in minerals. So what you want is a pH of 7 to 9. 9 being alkaline, which is good, but 7 is neutral. 7 is neutral. Anything under 5, actually anything under 6 is almost acids. So you don't want to be drinking that. So my man's here is filling up these for our swamp coolers that we use to stay cool because, man, it was like 104 up here today. I was at work, but they was up here. They was dying. I wasn't dying. I was at work. But anyway, this is how this system works. It's working pretty good. Quick, easy build. This thing was like $70. I acquired that. Those things from Walmart, you know what it is. Hoses. The most important part is these connections right here. You need those male-to-male, male-to-female connections. Now she won't be able to tie stuff in. That's important. That was a lot of back and forth to Home Depot and these splitters from Ace or whatever. So make sure you get those. And that's pretty much how this works for right now.